Hi and welcome. This is a quick demo and tutorial video for Email Pilot AI. First of all, you'll need to download the zip file for the extension from the members area. Once you've saved that on your local hard disk, unzip it into a folder. Having done that, open up your browser, whether it's Chrome, Edge or Opera, and at the top there'll be a little icon for your extensions. Click on it and you'll end up on a page similar to this. This is in Edge, so it's edge://extensions. Same thing for Chrome, Chrome://extensions, and similar for Opera. In Opera, it's a little square icon rather than a puzzle. Once you're in this page, make sure you have developer mode toggled to on. In Edge, it's down here in the bottom left. In Chrome, it's up here on the top right of the page. Once you've done that, click on Load Unpacked, browse to wherever you've stored that folder with Email Pilot AI in it, click on the folder, choose Select Folder, and if we now scroll down, you'll see that we have, amongst my many different extensions, Email Pilot AI version 1 installed. And this is now ready to use. If I scroll back up to the top, if I click on the Manage Extensions button here, you'll see it appears in my list of extensions. I can tick on the icon here to pin it to the toolbar. It appears here, and I can move it down so it's one of my favorite extension shortcuts here at the top and very quick and easy to use. Now we do need to set up our API key, so what I'm going to do is click on the button for this and choose the options link, which will take me through to the options page for this extension. Then all I need to do is pop in my API key from OpenAI or from Anthropic, depending on which one you want to use. It does work with both, just toggle it between OpenAI and Anthropic at the top here. Once you pop that in, simply click on Save AI Provider to update it and make sure it says it's saved. Okay, before we move on to have a look at Email Pilot in action, if you scroll down on this options page, there is also the option to add in your own custom prompts. So you can add to the existing prompts that are in here, create your own and tailor it to your exact needs by using this custom prompts option. And there are placeholders for the different types of data that the prompts can deal with, such as page title, page URL, and selected text. Once you've got a new prompt in there with the name and the prompt, simply click on Save Prompt, and it will then appear in your Email Pilot AI tools list, which we're going to look at now. So let's head over to a sales page as an example. And all I'm going to do is highlight the context or content area of the sales page. So I'm just going to right click and scroll all the way down to grab a whole big chunk of the sales page and the sales copy. Let's go down to include the FAQ at the bottom. So it's pretty much everything on the sales page all highlighted. And all I need to do is right click, go down to Email Pilot AI, and then we've got the different options that are available to us within the standard tools and any extra that we've added in as custom prompts. And all I then need to do is choose which of these tools that I want to use. So in this case, I'm simply going to go with Right Quick Promo Email, click on the button, and the AI will go away and start working on that for me without me having to go across to ChatGPT or to Claude Cowork or something like that. There we go, it's already done. It's that quick. So you're not having to jump around from tool to tool. You're creating your emails on the fly on the sales page or JV page or wherever the information is that you're going to use. And you use Email Pilot AI, choose the tool that you want, and your email copy is created. Then you can simply click on copy and go across to your email system, or click on save markdown file and keep a copy of that in a local folder to use later on. So that's one example. I'll click on close here. And now let's have a look at another example. Again, Email Pilot AI. This time I'm going to go with write a problem solution email. Choose that option and let it go away and do its work. It will take a few seconds to run. It can vary between 3 or 4 seconds or 10 to 20 seconds. As you saw, that was closer to 3 or 4 seconds. It is really quick and you're doing it right here on the page. So again, copy that over to my email autoresponder or wherever I'm sending my emails from, or save it to a local folder as a markdown file. Now, one thing I am going to do now is move the bit of screen that you can see so that I can show you the other options that we have within Email Pilot AI. So simply change the part of the page that I'm showing in the video capture so that I can right click a bit further up, and then when I choose Email Pilot AI, you can see all 10 default options available within the extension for you to use. So we've got write a quick promo email, create 3 email angles, write a quick summary email, write a story-led email, write a problem solution email, write a soft sell email, benefit stack email, curiosity email, deadline email, and a bonus reminder email. Those are all all built in for you to be starting with right away. But again, you can add your own extra email prompts in so you can build more that fit with exactly how you work. That's a really quick look at Email Pilot AI. The important bit is you're doing the work right here on the page, so you're saving a massive amount of time and getting your emails created really, really quickly to get them straight out. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the inside.